I'm here with Amy and Michelle, who are about to play at level 3.0 women's doubles tournament. How are you feeling about the tournament this morning?
Really good. We're prepared, we practiced, and we're ready to have some fun.
Thought you great. She's a great partner, and
We love each other.
did you guys have some good breakfast to get ready this morning?
Oh yeah, peanut butter sandwiches, and I got
Nutri-Grain
lunch.
bars.
Oh yeah,
We got lunch.
We're
We
ready.
got
I had a banana, got some potassium, ready to go.
And did you do anything special to get ready for the tournament this week?
We did some lessons, practiced, played a few games together, and
Had a lot of fun.
Had a lot of fun.
A
laughed
lot
a
of fun.
Yeah.
Well, I hope that today is a blast for you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Looking
fun.
forward to it.
Thank you.
Welcome to Pickleball Euphoria. Joshua and Stephanie Daniels are Louisville's premier pickleball coaches. So if you're looking to learn how to play the game, or if you're ready to take your game to the next level, then reach out to Pickleball Euphoria and schedule a consult today. Feel free to Google us, or just visit us at our website, www.pickleballeuphoria.com, to learn more about our program, our process. Give us a call at 502-905-3301 or email us at pickleballeuphoria@gmail.com. We hope to hear from you soon.
Hello, my name is Chuck of Chuck and Mike's Tennis Shop. I've been doing this for over 16 years. Well, pickleball's here and it's here to stay. Come in, try the paddles out, see how well you like them, and we'll follow you with the paddles and see how well you like them. And large selection of pickleball.